Samsung's next big move, Galaxy S25 Ultra promises game-changing video quality. Samsung has officially announced the date for its next Galaxy Unpacked event, where the tech giant will unveil its flagship lineup: the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, Galaxy S25 Ultra, and possibly a new addition, the Galaxy S25 Slim. While leaks have already given us insights into their design, display, cameras, processors, memory configurations, and batteries, fresh claims suggest that Samsung has more surprises up its sleeve. A step ahead in low-light video performance, according to a renowned tipster from China, Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to deliver improved video quality in low-light conditions. While the tipster didn't explicitly compare it to a specific model, it's safe to assume that they're referring to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The secret to this leap forward? The tipster hints that the enhanced performance hinges on the processor's capabilities. This likely points to the Snapdragon 8 Elite, rumored to power the Galaxy S25 Ultra and its edge over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Ice Universe also emphasizes that these improvements won't extend to older models, including the Galaxy S24 Ultra. If the claims hold true, this means the Galaxy S25 Ultra could set a new standard for video quality, particularly in challenging lighting conditions. Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Everything we know so far. Are you ready for the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Leaks are painting an exciting picture of Samsung's upcoming flagship, set to launch on January 22. With upgrades in design, charging, and performance, the Galaxy S25 Ultra might redefine what we expect from a premium smartphone. Here's everything you need to know. A lighter design and faster wireless charging. One of the standout upgrades is its lighter build, making the S25 Ultra more comfortable to handle. With a real game changer, 25-watt wireless charging powered by K2 technology. Tipster Roland Quant confirms this leap from the previously rumored 15-watt wireless charging. Samsung is also expected to release a Qi 2-compatible first-party case alongside the Galaxy S25 series, ensuring users can maximize these features right out of the box. Display and performance highlights. Prepare for a visual treat with a dynamic AMOLED 2X display featuring 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, peak brightness up to 2,600 nits, though some reports suggest 3,000 nits, so stay tuned. When it comes to power, the Galaxy S25 Ultra doesn't hold back. It's rumored to pack the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset globally, promising lightning-fast performance for gaming, multitasking, and everything in between. The S25 Ultra will offer versatile configurations to meet different needs. 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage. 16 GB RAM plus 512 GB storage. 16 GB RAM plus 1 TB storage. Exciting news, Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra renders and cases revealed. We've got some thrilling updates about the Galaxy S25 Plus and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Two reliable sources have unveiled renders and case designs that give us a closer look at these flagship devices. Let's dive in and explore what's new. Yesterday, Gizmo China revealed renders showcasing one of the color variants for the Galaxy S25 Plus and S25 Ultra. These images not only highlight the sleek designs, but also confirm several rumored features. Color variants: Galaxy S25 Plus, Icy Blue. Galaxy S25 Ultra, Titanium Blue. These shades are distinctly different, living up to their unique names. Case design: both devices are shown encased in transparent Spigen crystal flex cases, giving us an unobstructed view of their stunning designs. Standout features: ultra-thin bezels. One of the most impressive aspects of the renders is the incredibly thin bezels on both models. These bezels are slimmer than anything we've seen in recent flagships, including Apple's iPhone 16 Pro Max. WinFuture's revelations, official cases, and new designs. Another trusted source, WinFuture, has shared fresh insights into the case designs and colors for the Galaxy S25 series. Official cases. The renders reveal official Samsung silicone cases for the S25 series. These cases bear the label designed by Samsung, ensuring authenticity and compatibility. Design consistency. The Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus share a near-identical design. Samsung has incorporated familiar design elements with a modern twist, particularly around the camera module, taking inspiration from its Galaxy Z foldable series. Samsung has officially confirmed that its next Unpacked event will take place on January 22, 2025 in San Jose, California. The event is widely expected to showcase the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra. Pre-reservations for the Galaxy S25 series are already open, offering incredible perks for early customers. Among the incentives is a chance to win a $5,000 gift card to spend on Samsung.com. Here's what you'll get by reserving a Galaxy S25. $50 credit. Apply towards the device when pre-orders begin after the launch. Up to $900 trade-in credit. Reduce the cost by trading in an eligible device. $300 instant credit. Further cut the upgrade price. These combined savings can add up to $1,250, potentially making the Galaxy S25 upgrade highly affordable for many customers. The best part? Reserving your device is completely free. Simply visit Samsung's online store, enter your email, and secure these benefits, including an entry into the $5,000 giveaway. Samsung has officially released the teaser for the Galaxy S25 Ultra's Unpacked event, and there's plenty of exciting news to share. From a leaked image showcasing the phone's ultra-thin bezels to pre-order benefits and a major update on Ki 2 wireless charging, the Unpacked teaser features 2 clips focused on Galaxy AI, which Samsung is dubbing your true AI companion. Mark your calendars, it's all happening on January 22nd. Let's take a look.
Hey, when is the Samsung Galaxy Unpacked? Can you put it on my calendar?
What are we watching today? Something that makes us laugh? Makes us cry? Shows us new worlds? Teaches us new things? Or is it something that we've never watched before? Now TV gets to know you, who you are, what you love, so you can explore so much more. Understand things in new ways. Let your imagination go wild. Made just for you, and you, and you. This isn't just a new television. It's a whole new vision. Because the TV of tomorrow isn't about what's on. It's about who's watching.
Now, a new image offers another close look. Renowned industry tipster Ice Universe, along with another well-known insider, has shared an image of the actual device. This new photo highlights the phone's most significant physical update: sleeker bezels and rounded edges. For several years, Galaxy Ultra phones have featured sharp edges, which I believe gave them a distinctive and premium appearance. However, this image confirms that the S25 Ultra is refining its design to set new standards. With ultra-thin symmetrical bezels, the front design has reached an impressive level. The slightly rounded corners of the frame enhance usability, making it more ergonomic. Additionally, the bezel thickness reduction is a standout improvement. Reports suggest that the S25 Ultra's bezels might measure just 2.3 millimeters, an impressive leap from the 3.35 millimeters bezels on the S24 Ultra. This measurement comes from a leaked aluminum dummy, which is said to match the phone's final dimensions. The cropped image also reveals the right side of the phone, where the side key and volume rockers are seamlessly integrated into the frame. This not only elevates the design aesthetic, but also improves the durability of the buttons, thanks to their reduced protrusion. Samsung is gearing up for an exciting Unpacked event this January, where it will reportedly reveal not just 3, but 4 Galaxy S25 devices. Among them, the Galaxy S25 Slim has caught everyone's attention after appearing in a recently leaked teaser. The mystery of the Slim's release date. Unlike its counterparts, the Galaxy S25 Slim is rumored to arrive later in the year. The new report supports this, referencing Samsung's One UI 7 beta, which includes a list of US carrier-specific models. Interestingly, the Galaxy S25 Slim is missing from this list, hinting that it won't launch alongside the first wave of S25 devices running Android 15. Speculation suggests the Slim could debut between April and June 2025, aligning with previous leaks. This staggered release may allow Samsung to create buzz around its new edition. What makes the Galaxy S25 Slim stand out? The Galaxy S25 Slim is packed with high-end specs while promising a sleek and compact design. Key rumored features include a 6.66-inch display offering vibrant visuals, A 200-megapixel main camera complemented by a 50-megapixel ultra-wide and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset delivering top-tier performance. A robust battery capacity ranging between 4,700 mAh to 5,000 mAh. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.